In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the DHgate platform efficiently, specifically focusing on accessing customer support through their online services. This will ensure that you have a smooth experience when resolving any issues or inquiries you might have. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, we need to access the DHgate website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the DHgate URL in the address bar. If you're not familiar with DHgate, it's an online marketplace where you can purchase products directly from manufacturers and suppliers around the world. Think of it as a global shopping platform that connects you with a plethora of goods ranging from electronics to fashion items. Once you're on the DHgate homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a wide array of categories and promotional banners that might catch your eye. But our focus here is to locate the customer service section. To do that, head over to the main navigation menu, typically located at the top of the page. Here you're looking for a link or a drop-down menu labeled Customer Service. Companies like DHgate know that a sturdy customer service framework is crucial for customer satisfaction, and that's why they've dedicated a whole section to it. Now hover over or click on Customer Service. This will usually open up a list of options related to the assistance you might require. What you're looking for is a link or button that says Online Service. Clicking on Online Service will direct you to DHgate's customer support interface. This online service is designed to provide immediate and efficient support to accommodate your needs. You may encounter various support tools such as live chat, message boards, or detailed FAQs. Each one of these is tailored to address different types of inquiries, so feel free to explore each option depending on what you need assistance with. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully navigated to where you can communicate directly with DHgate's customer service staff, whether it be for resolving an issue with an order, understanding shipping details, or any other inquiry that may arise. It's worth noting that even if you don't have an immediate concern, knowing how to reach customer support can be handy for future transactions. It's always a good practice to remain informed about the platforms you use, especially when it involves purchasing goods from international suppliers. This can protect your interests and enhance your overall shopping experience. So whether you're a seasoned DHgate user or a newcomer, these simple steps ensure that you can confidently seek help whenever you need it. Thank you for watching this guide, and hopefully you now feel more equipped to use the DHgate platform with greater ease. Happy shopping!